Hello students, welcome to this lesson. This is science class 7, Interdependence. What is interdependence? Interdependence is a way living things need each other for survival. Assume there is no food. Will you survive? No. So we need plants for survival. Then interdependence is divided into three main parts. One, interdependence between plants and plants. Two, interdependence between plants and animals. Three, interdependence between animals and animals. Let's start with the first one, interdependence between plants and plants. Plants need each other for three main things. One, support. Two, habitat. Three, shade. Let's start with the support. How do plants need each other for support? There are those plants with weak stem. Plants with weak stem. And there are those ones with strong stem. So plants with weak stem depend on plants with strong stem for support. Remember, plants need sunlight to make their own food. So those plants with weak stem, if they can't grow to a point where as they can receive sunlight, then they won't make their own food. So they depend on plants with strong stem for support. Then plants need to grow upright in order to get sunlight, just the way I've told you. There are things, these plants with weak stems, there are things they need which support them on those plants with strong stems. For example, we have something we call tendrils. Tendril is a modified leaf. I'm repeating, tendril is a modified leaf. The other thing which these plants use to support themselves on other plants with strong stem, we have hooks. Hooks. Then they also use twinning stem. Like that one of a passion fruit. And remember here I said tendril is a modified leaf. We have climbers, just those ones which is twinning stem. We have climbers like passion plant, garden pea, money plant. Then let's go to the second step, how plants depend on plants. We have said plants depend on plants for support. Two, habitat. What is habitat? What is habitat? Habitat is a natural home for a living thing. Natural home for living organism. Some plants live and acquire food from other plants. They are called parasitic plants. Parasitic plants. These are plants that live and acquire food on other plants. We call them parasitic plants. Examples of parasitic plants, we have dodas, we have lichen, and millstone. Doda, lichen, and milestone. These are called parasitic plants. They fall under habitat. There is also another group which is called saprophytes. Saprophytes are plants which depend on dead decaying plants or dead decaying organisms. Examples of parasites: we have mushrooms, we have puffballs, we have molds, we have toadstools, we have bracket tree, and we have yeast. All those are called fall under habitat. Then lastly here, under interdependence between plants and plants, we have shade. You know shade? When it is sunny, where do you go? You hide under the shade. That's true. Now, when you come to shade, some plants are not able to directly survive under the sun. They die when they are hit directly or by the sun. Like sometimes you say a sunburn. They need shade. So these plants grow under shade. They grow under big plants. For example, we have plants like oxalis. I know most of you know oxalis is a weed and it is edible, but you don't cook it. Then we have another plant called fern. Fern, you know fern? Yes, fern. This one you learned in class 5 about fern. These plants also grow under shade. They don't need direct sunlight because direct sunlight may kill them. Then the next interdependence we talked about was interdependence between plants and plants. Interdependence between plants and animals. Plants, that's the one we have covered. Then we come to interdependence between plants and animals. Interdependence between plants and animals. Plants and animals depend on each other for several things. One, food. Food. That's plants and animals. Plants and animals. These ones depend on each other for food. Things like food, nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide. This one, plant depend on us for carbon dioxide because they use carbon dioxide for food, and we depend on plants for oxygen for breathing. Then we have decomposition, shelter, wastes, pollination, medicine. When I come to pollination, plants need animals for pollination. Have a nice day.